Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we will look into hunting for habitable planets. In this video, we'll be exploring the fascinating field of exoplanet research and how scientists are searching for planets that could potentially support life beyond our solar system. What are habitable planets? Before we dive into the search for habitable planets, let's first define what we mean by habitable. A habitable planet has the right conditions to support life as we know it, including the presence of liquid water, a stable atmosphere, and a source of energy such as sunlight. How do we search for habitable planets? One of the main methods scientists use to search for habitable planets is the transit method. This involves looking for tiny dips in a star's brightness that occur when a planet passes in front of it. By studying these dips, scientists can determine the planet's size, orbit, and even its atmosphere. Another method is the radial velocity method, which involves looking for slight wobbles in a star's motion caused by the gravitational pull of an orbiting planet. By studying these wobbles, scientists can determine the planet's mass and distance from its star. What have we discovered so far? Since the first exoplanet was discovered in 1995, scientists have found thousands of planets beyond our solar system. While not all of them are habitable, some have shown promising signs, such as the recently discovered TRAPPIST-1 system, which has 7 Earth-sized planets, 3 of which are in the star's habitable zone. The future of exoplanet research. As technology continues to advance, scientists are developing new methods for detecting and studying exoplanets. For example, NASA's upcoming James Webb Space Telescope will be able to detect the atmospheres of exoplanets, providing valuable information about their potential habitability. Challenges in the search for habitable planets. While the search for habitable planets is exciting, it is also a challenging task. One of the biggest challenges is the vast distance between stars, making it difficult to directly observe exoplanets. Additionally, many exoplanets are located in complex and dynamic systems, such as binary star systems or multiple planet systems, which can make it challenging to determine if a planet is habitable or not. Another challenge is that the presence of liquid water, while important, is not the only factor needed for habitability. Planets also need to have a protective magnetic field to shield them from harmful cosmic rays, and their atmosphere needs to have the right balance of gases to support life. Despite these challenges, scientists remain optimistic and continue to develop new technologies and methods to overcome these obstacles. The importance of the search for habitable planets. The search for habitable planets is important for several reasons. First, it helps us understand the conditions necessary for life to exist, which can help us better understand the origins of life on Earth and the potential for life elsewhere in the universe. Second, the discovery of habitable planets can also help us understand our place in the universe and our potential for long-term space exploration and colonization. Finally, the search for habitable planets is an important step in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI. By studying the atmospheres of exoplanets, we may be able to detect signs of life, such as the presence of oxygen or other biosignature gases, which could help us identify potential targets for future SETI missions. In conclusion, the search for habitable planets is a challenging but exciting field of research that has the potential to unlock some of the biggest mysteries of the universe. With new technologies and methods, we are getting closer to finding a planet that could support life beyond our solar system. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more updates on exoplanet research.